Hi, welcome to another Great Rides in Ozpost. I'm in Bateman's Bay, and first off the bat is the Kings Highway run up the Clyde Mountain and onto Braidwood, a run of about 60 k's all up. From sea level here in Bateman's Bay, we're riding to Braidwood at 643 metres above sea level, but peaking on the Clyde Mountain at about 780 metres. Crossing over the bridge and turning left onto the Kings Highway, the first part of the ride is undulating as you make your way towards the Clyde Mountain, with a usual speed limit of 90 k's. The ride gets windier the closer you get to the Clyde, with fewer opportunities to hit the speed limit. The climb up the Clyde really begins when the speed limit drops to 70 and you hit the first genuine hairpin turn. Riding 5 k's, you gain over 500 metres in elevation. An interesting sight on the Clyde is Pooh Bear's Corner. I'm still undecided whether this is cute or a little bit weird. Pooh Bear's Corner is close to the top of the climb, so it's not long before things open up and the speed limit hits 100 k's. There aren't many long straight parts of the highway as you make your way to Braidwood. It's more like you ride from one curve into the next, which makes for great riding. And this is Braidwood. There's a choice of the bakery, a few pubs and cafes if you need a bit of personal refueling. I can vouch for the bakery meat pies, they're pretty good. And that's it, peoples. I hope you enjoyed the Kings Highway ride. There's a lot to like. Hairpin turns up the Clyde, winding tracks and undulating and curvy roads. Definitely not a flat, boring ride. Even if your ride is taking you along the coast through Bateman's Bay, it's worth doing a detour up the Clyde and back down. No need to go on to Braidwood. It'll be an hour well spent. Anyway, thanks for coming along for the ride. Until next time, stay safe and wear a helmet!